Welcome to the 5th video about building this camper trailer. Hope you enjoy. Alright, now it's time to put in the back shelf, and let me tell you what I've been doing. I measured from here across and took 1/3 of it and then drilled holes 1/3 of the way over to put in this board and 1/3 of the way over to put in this board. And then to keep it down and in the right place, I put on the top shelf that I'm going to be putting on, and then I used this board here to keep the top shelf from going up while I drill up underneath, because I've drilled down to set where the holes are, put the boards on, and then drilled up. So that's the way I'm going to put on these boards. All right, now that I've screwed in these center pieces, I then leveled this board, and as you can see, I put tape above and below the board everywhere I want to drill a hole. Now I'm going to remove the board and drill the holes so that when I put the board back, I can drill it from the other side into the board and anchor it down. All right, let's get started. All right, got all my holes drilled. Now I'll remove the tape and put the board back. I've put the top shelf back in, and I've leveled it and made sure that it's good to go. Now it's time to drill the holes and put the screws in. Well, you see the process. I'm just going to continue it. So it'd be boring just to watch me do this over and over again. All right, until the next step. I've got all my beams going across the top. Now I need to drill holes in it to run the wires through so that I can run my max fan and my reading lights inside the cabin. So let me drill some holes. Well, now to drill another hole for the wire. Let's put it through. Now I need to drill a hole for the max fan wire to run through. So I'll put it right here. All right, got the hole for the max fan. All right, I've got my holes drilled through my beams to run the wires. So now let's run the wires through and make sure it's all going to work. First, the wire for the max fan. All right, that's looking good. Now the other wire for the max fan. All right, that's looking good. Now, to run the wire for my reading lights that are going to be on the trailer. Now I can't reach all the way over to the holes that start going down the front of the trailer, so I'll have to just take it that far right now and then run the other wire. Here's the second wire for the reading lights. And I'm trying to limit how many wires I run from one side of the trailer to the other. This should help reduce the amount of electrical problems I will encounter in this trailer build. All right, well, I'm going to have to reposition myself to run the wires, but as you can see, going through the beams, it'll now be between the top and the inside top of the trailer. Now that I've attached the ceiling to the trailer, I need to cut out the air vent hole. So let me put on my goggles and time to drill. All right, that should be big enough, and it is. Well, I got a doubt. I've put the roof on the inside. Now I need to put on the front wall. So let me get it inside the trailer. I have to put on the two side pieces here that I've left off, and that will complete this. So I'm going to stop the video and put on these side pieces because you've already seen how I do it. Now I've got the two side pieces on here and I'm ready to put up the front wall on the inside. Looks like it's fitting pretty good to me. All right, got the first screw in. Now I just got to put more screws in this thing. So I think we'll stop it here. You don't want to watch me put in screws, I think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video about building this camping trailer. Check back soon and I'll have another video about building the trailer. So until next time, see ya.